You know, 2020 wasn't all bad. It actually allowed us to think of different ways that we can make money. And there's so many ways, from making this, from doing that, from starting our own businesses. We now know so many more ways to make money. And I actually want to talk about some of the weirder and less known ones that you can do today and actually make some money. Let's get started. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Scarcity Lifestyle, where we talk all things fitness, finance, and stuff that we didn't think about. Today guys, I have a very interesting video to talk to you guys about. It's all about how we can make money in unconventional ways. But guys, before we get started on today's video, I do hope that you guys hit that subscribe button, leave a like if you haven't, comment down below which of these would you like to try out. And I also recently started a Patreon that you can go ahead and link down below. You can be able to help me support this channel because these videos do take a while to make, and well, it does help me out in the long run. I appreciate you. I appreciate you greatly. And guys, let's get right into this video. Let's go. Different ways that we can make money in 2021. Did you know that a robber is more likely to steal your Pokemon cards than they are your wallet in 2021? Why? Because this year, or rather last year, Pokemon cards, baseball cards, and all these other things, they blew up completely. Meaning that something that before was just a collector's item is now something that people are, you getting and buying, trading, flipping, doing all these crazy things. It all started from a video that Logan Paul posted about buying a $200,000 Pokemon pack, and then he started going all crazy. And then all over the internet, if you go on TikTok, you find videos of people opening packs. Now, what's so important about those? Each card has a certain value depending on whether it's a shiny, depending on how rare it is. There's different kinds of cards, from first edition cards to premium platinum, different kinds that I really am not that qualified to know, but I do know that it is a collector's thing and people are making money. They get them, they go to Target, they go to Walmart, different places, you buy some, and then through eBay, Facebook Market, or other places like that, they auction them off and then they sell them. The cool thing is that a lot of people have actually a bunch of Pokemon cards from back when they were in elementary school. If I had the ones that I had in elementary school, I'd be a millionaire right now, because people are literally selling these for tons of dollars. Another way that was always thought to be kind of a scam, whenever you receive the email, to take a survey and then you can make some money from it. However, there is a place that you can go and you can actually make money from doing surveys. If you go to usertesting.com, you will be able to sign up and to be able to take surveys that take around from 10 to 15 minutes of your time, where you have the opportunity to win $10 to $20 depending on the length of the survey. You'll be able to earn some actual money. Quick disclaimer, they offer you the opportunity to take the surveys, but you won't be able to take all the surveys always, because you have to apply for them or be approved for them. So, and you won't be approved for the majority of them. I think a good 80 to 90 of them you won't be approved for. So it's not something that you're gonna make bang from, but it is something that you will be able to make an extra couple of dollars a day, a week. You know, I think in a week you could be able to make up to $200 extra if you do these at least from like 4 to 5 or 4 to 6. You can make an extra couple of $100 throughout the week that you can use from other stuff. They send it directly to your PayPal account, and then after a week it's deposited, and then you're going to be able to have that extra $200 in your account. Another way to make money is through blog posts. I'm going to talk about two forms of doing it. The first way is through affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is the way that companies pay you for you selling their products. For example, one of the most famous one is Amazon. Amazon has affiliate marketing. If you're going to go ahead, start a blog post, or maybe you go to a blog post and you look at the side columns, or maybe the top part, and then you see right there's some advertisements. If someone goes, clicks on those advertisements, goes to the website, buys that product, then you get a percentage of it. You get some commission, which is really cool. Not only that, but I think that the link tracking stays for about 24 hours. So if within the 24 hours, the person who clicked on that link buys something, and you're gonna get a small commission of it. I think for Amazon, it's around 10%. That is one way to do it. Another way is through what is known as Medium. Medium is a blogging website where you can type out, and Medium themselves will pay you. As a matter of fact, I'm actually preparing a video for that. I want to do specifically just media because I saw a video by Shelby Church who she was talking about how she made over $6,000 from talking about one of her videos that she made, and it was not that long, but it was pretty very interesting, and a lot of people went to it, and she made over $6,000, and I think over time it ended up being almost $20,000 from like within the year. That's crazy, from just making interesting stories. Of course, you gotta know what to talk about, think of stuff, but it is an interesting way to make money. And the final way that a lot of us found out that we can make money this year is through social media. Social media is probably one of the highest paying ways that you can make money this year. For example, did you know that social media people get paid bank, especially when they have a huge following? I heard about this on the podcast on David Dobrik. He was talking how a certain company was scamming some influencers out of money, and said an influencer with a rough estimate of $1 million should be getting from $20,000 to $50,000 to maybe even $100,000 depending on the type of promotion that sponsors give to them. They also make ad revenue. They also make from Patreon. Just like I have my Patreon link below. You guys go support it, please. Thank you. Helps me out a lot. But social media people, they make a lot of money. And at first, it always starts off as something fun, but eventually becomes something bigger. You go to TikTok, you start uploading some funny videos, a lot of people start coming to your page, and then out of nowhere, it blows up. And once you have like 100,000 subscribers, you can apply for the partner program that you get paid at like 2 to 3 cents per 1,000 views. But if you make it the same thing on YouTube, it's $2 to $3 per 1,000 views, so it's a little bit more, and you just start expanding, making yourself a little bit more known on social media. And guys, those are just some of the ways that we learned to make money this year. I'm sure there's a lot more ways that you can make money, and I'm sure that you might be thinking, Carlos, can we do this? And I have so many other ideas on what we can talk about, but guys, leave it in the comments below. We're going to be talking about those things very, very shortly. And guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Those are just a little quick overview, help you expand to think about what is it that you can do. Guys, we're going to be finishing with that, and I hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, subscribe once again, leave a like, comment down below what you thought about this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.